Wow. Absolutely amazing.
Check this out.
Although much of the country hasn't had much snow in recent weeks, Hawaii is about to hit its second blizzard in a few days. The National Meteorological Service in Honolulu, Hawaii, has released a report for the uplands of the Big Island of Hawaii. Several inches of rain fell on Mauna Kea, causing authorities to close roads due to ice and snow. There may be up to 4 inches of snow tomorrow, according to the National Weather Service. Snowstorms significantly reduce visibility at times. During periods of zero visibility, the National Meteorological Service warns. Watching a winter storm means there is a chance of significant accumulations of snow or ice that could affect the summits. Anyone planning a trip to the summits, including tourists, should keep an eye on the latest forecasts and consider postponing their trip until the weather improves. While most people do not associate the tropical paradise that Hawaii is known for with snow, they are surprised to learn that it snows in winter due to the elevation of these volcanic peaks. Mauna Kea is the tallest of these, at 13,803 feet. Halikala in Maui is much lower, at 10,023 feet. Due to this difference, the island of Hawaii will snow more often than the lower island of Maui. In just one storm last January, the island of Hawaii received 2 to 3 feet of snow and deeper snow drifts.